Hi everyone, my name is Biradar Siddharth. Today's date is 16th March 2022. Today's topic is array list. Java array list classes uses a dynamic array for storing the elements. It is like an array, but there is no size limit. We can add or remove elements anytime, so it is much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in the Java util package. Java array list in Java can have the duplicate elements. Also, it implements the list of interfaces, so can use all the methods of the list interfaces here. The array list maintain the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements list interface. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list. In Java, because is lot of shifting needs to occur if any elements is removed from the array list. A Java array list gets initialized by the size. The size is dynamic in the array list, which varies according to the elements getting added or removed from the list. Methods: void add method, index e element. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in a list. The second method is a boolean add. Boolean add is used to append the specified element at the end of list. And third method is void clear. Void clear is it is used to remove all the elements from this list. And fourth is method is eGet in bracket int index. It is used to fetch the element for the particular position of the list. And next method is protected void remove range. In that from index int index to index, it is used for remove all the elements lies within the given range. Sixth method is set in bracket int index and e elements. It is used for the replace of specified element in the list present at the specified position. And seventh method is void trim to size. It is used for the capacity of this array list instead of the list current size. And next eighth method is int size. It is used to return of the number of elements present in the list. And next is in order create to array list. We need to create an object, the array list class. The array list class consists of various constructors which allow the possible creation of the array list. The following are the constructor available in the class array list. Array list is a constructor used to build an empty array list. If we wish create empty array list with the name array, then it can be created array list. Array is new array list. Array list collection. Array list collection. This constructor is used to build an array list initialized with the elements of the collection in C. Suppose we wish create array list from which contain the array list. Array is equal to new array list C. And next is the array list of capacity. Array list capacity is the constructor. This constructor is used to the build in an array. Is list of the with initial capacity being the specialized. Suppose we wish to create an array list with the initial size of being n, and array list array is equal to new array list in n. In order to create array list, we need create an object of array list class. The array class consists of various constructors which allow the possible creation of the array list. The array following constructor is this. Next is array list capacity in which suppose we wish to create of the array in the being n, and